Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty with two controllers. First, ensure your second controller is properly connected to your console or PC. Once connected, launch Call of Duty and head to the main menu. From there, select a multiplayer or co-op mode that supports split screen. Your second player can then easily join the action by pressing a button, typically indicated on the screen, allowing for immediate two-player fun. It's a straightforward process to get started with a friend. When setting up your game, you'll find that many Call of Duty titles provide split-screen options across several exciting modes. You can dive into local multiplayer matches, team up for co-op campaign missions, or battle hordes of the undead in Zombies mode. Some of the more recent games even allow for online split-screen play, letting you join friends over the internet. Just make sure both players have their profiles ready or can sign in as a guest to begin the action. To truly enhance your split-screen experience, there are a few key tips to keep in mind. First, take a moment to adjust individual player settings, such as controller sensitivity and button layouts, to suit each person's preference. Playing on a larger television or monitor can significantly improve visibility for both players. Effective communication with your teammate is crucial for coordinating attacks and defenses. Finally, experiment with diverse weapon loadouts to create a balanced and formidable team. While split screen offers fantastic fun, it's good to be aware of a few potential limitations. Not all game modes within Call of Duty titles will support split screen, so always check the options. You might also notice a slight reduction in game performance compared to playing solo, as the system is rendering two perspectives simultaneously. Always double-check that both your controllers are fully charged and securely connected. Keeping your game updated can also help, as developers often release patches that improve split-screen functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.